Hey everybody, if you enjoyed this train video, can you smash that thumbs up button? Hit that thumbs up button if you can. It will help other train people know about my channel here. Also hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload, you'll be notified. Also hit that subscribe button down below as well. Also leave comments. I'd like to know where you're watching me from. But until next time, they call me Mr. Canada National. This train video's over. Have a good one. Take care.